Welcome to Gamestar. Look, this beautiful game, my friend. This is insane. This is really cool. Gunstar Journey to Save Star Wars. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button, press the bell notification, and join this channel. It's free. It costs you anything, and you will have access great content of value about metaverse game and all related to the crypto blockchain games, crypto gaming, and stuff like that. So I hope you're going to enjoy this show. I'm going to just to present the information today, and I'm going to make another video with the gameplay because today the gameplay they have some problem with issue while recording this video. This is connecting all the time, but the next video or probably next week you will have access to the gameplay with me and you will enjoy. But now I'm going to present you the game with the information available on their website. Enjoy the show. Don't forget to bring your coffee or tea or bag of chip or something that you love to enjoy, and enjoy every bit of it. So enjoy the show. Hey, I am on Gunstar, a journey to save the star. Look this beautiful graphic. Just before they keep going, I need to take some good coffee, my friend, and present you great information. Another great game on the cryptospheres. They have so many things that's happening in this sense. Scene, I mean, and this niche, and a lot of new games is coming in the pipe, and this is really cool. And the features will be NFTs, gaming, owning asset into those games, and this will be the norm in the near futures. But right now we making history, and this is really cool. Look, this beautiful team that is fighting each other and is ready to fight. This is really cool. As you can see, I'm going to play the video so you enjoy it. I'm going to start play. So you discover, I'm going to put in the beginning. Look, this Gunstar present. Nice graphic. Alright, free to play. This is really cool. Nice videos of demonstration. 24-second. Look, this enzyme. Nice. Fight. I'm going to make a video soon. You're going to see me playing the game, and this is really cool, my friend. Welcome to Gunstar! Woo! I'm going to put a pause. But the website is well designed, really beautiful. I really enjoy it. Look, it's beautiful. They have a map when you start to play, because I haven't made so far a video about the gameplay, because while recording this video, the servers disconnect all the time, so it's not the best time to make a video about the gameplay. But probably in the next few days, next week, you will see the gameplay on this channel. So if you like this kind of content, join this channel right now. It's free to do so. Don't forget to press the bell notification and put some like if you enjoy this kind of content. Look, this beautiful pet, and you see pet that you fighting on it. So this is really cool. So the gameplay, as you can see, this is one of the interface. So you can select a pet, and you are in a pet, and you fight in the battlefields against opponent. This is really cool. So endless game mode, enjoyable yet competitive. Really cool, really beautiful. And so they bring the concept of collectible NFT asset. You can you have this. You select a pet. You skill 1, skill 2, skill 3. You have 3 skill for every pet. I'm going to make another gameplay. Those skills, as you can see. So you have rendering. You have this kind of pet with 3 different kind of skill you can use in the battlefields. Really cool. Look at this beautiful, well designing avatar or monster pet. I don't know how they call it, but look this beautiful insane collectibles. Really cool. So I hope I'm going to enjoy the gameplay about this game, because you cannot like every game that's pop in the cryptospheres, but you need to stick with those ones that you really enjoy, you have fun playing. You need to have fun to play. That's the most important ingredient, to have fun. If you enjoy the fun, the rest will come, and you will enjoy more with the time pass. And this is really important. So you involve into this metaverse. They call it metaverse or blockchain game or crypto game. It's all the same at the end, with collectibles, NFTs, and stuff like that. So as you can see, right now the game start with Q1. This is a brand new game on 2022. So they promise a lot of things that's coming in the pipe for Q2, Q3, Q4 for this year's, my friend, and 2023 update soon. So the team going to make a great on Gunstar Journey to Save Star Wars. So they have the team. So as you can see, those guys come from, I don't know where they come from, probably Vietnam, because I saw a lot of blockchain game or crypto game, this kind of style that is come from Asia or around Vietnam, stuff like that. This is really cool. So they have the advisors, so they have the venture capitals that invest into those games. This is really cool. This is just a small introduction about this game, but the next video I'm going to make for you, my friend, is the gameplay of Gunstar. So if you enjoy this kind of content, discover a great game, blockchain game, metaverse, stuff like that. That's the niche I want to bring this from now on into this channel. So join this channel, it's free to do so, it costs you anything. Smash the like button and press the bell notification to get notified when I release new video. As well, thank you so much. You have all my gratitude if you have watched it until now. So see you on the next video and have a great day, my friend.